Let's revise muscles of mastication in 1 minute. So there are 4 muscles of mastication, that is masseter, temporalis, lateral pterygoid and medial pterygoid. First is the masseter. Now it is quadrilateral in shape and its superficial layer originates from the anterior two-third of lower border of zygomatic arch and it inserts into the lower border of ramus of mandible. Then its deeper layer originates from the deeper surface of zygomatic arch and it inserts into the remaining portion of lower border of ramus of mandible. Now its action is to elevate the muscle to close the mouth during biting. Next is temporalis. It is a fan-shaped muscle and it originates from temporal fossa and temporal fascia and it inserts into the coronoid process and anterior border of ramus of mandible. Now its action is to elevate the jaw, side to side grinding and retraction of the lower jaw. Third is the lateral pterygoid. Now it is conical in shape and it has the upper head which is smaller in size and the lower head which is larger in size. Now the upper head originates from the infratemporal fossa and it inserts into the pterygoid fovea and the lower head originates from the lateral surface of pterygoid plate and it inserts into the anterior margin of articular disc and capsule of temporomandibular joint. Now its action is to depress the mandible and protrude the mandible. Last is the medial pterygoid. Now it is also quadrilateral in shape and it has a superficial head which is smaller in size and a deep head which is larger in size. The superficial head originates from the maxillary tuberosity and the adjoining bone and the deeper surface originates from the medial surface of lateral pterygoid. Now they get inserted into the ramus of mandible below and behind the mandibular foramen. Now it performs the action of elevation and protrusion of mandible. If you like such videos, then do follow my page.